busting out the roll. This guy lights the piano on fire. Check out what this sounds like. It's gonna blow you away. Oh, that is cool. Hey, I'm Jonny May and welcome to Piano with Jonny. In this video, I want to show you one of the most incredible Boogie Woogie performances that I have ever heard. Oh, that is cool. I wanted to start with this amazing intro because he's way up high. Okay, super fun and just sounds incredible. Now, before we dive in, I want to tell you a little bit about this pianist. His name is Johan Blom. He is a Swedish boogie and rock pianist, and he's actually known as the Swedish Jerry Lee Lewis because he just sounds so good and plays so well. So starting with this little intro, what I love about this, he's in the key of C, and he starts on a G chord, but then he goes in this really nice C7 chord. It's a real simple chord. You can easily play it on your piano. Then he goes to like a little F7 chord. Nice little spread, but here's the magic. He goes like this. Okay, really, really fun. This is a really interesting lick. I've actually not heard a Boogie Woogie pianist play this lick, but he comes like this, kind of like on a C chord, like a C9, and then he does these little punches, like this, walks it down. See it? And then G, and then C, and then, okay? He's actually using a really cool scale here, which comes from the Mixo Blues scale. It's a very hip scale that you can use when you're playing the blues. Okay, so that's kind of the intro. And then he's into his F chord, okay? And that's where he starts that Boogie Woogie sound, which is really, really nice, okay? So let's keep listening. I want to show you a few of the things he does because it is absolutely amazing. Check it out. That's so cool. So I want to show you a few of these little licks, a few of these moments, because he adds some really nice stuff. Starting from that F7 chord, he does this really nice line. Okay, he's basically like on an F chord like this, and he does this little roll down like this, like on a big C minor chord, and then he comes up like this, and then this is cool, little roll into an F, and then kind of like a blue note on the C, back into C chord, okay? So this is how he's getting a really nice sound. He's kind of filling. Okay, but if you speed it up, okay, that's essentially what he's doing. He's doing a lot of these little rolls down the piano on his chords, which make it sound really cool. Now I want to show you a few more licks. But before we do that, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. Real quick, I want to show you this amazing Boogie Woogie bass line. That he's playing. Very traditional boogie bass line. You basically come down low on a C, and then you play this little tritone. Okay, E flat and A. I come down, back into my C chord, back to C, and then the tritone into the E and the G. That's your basic Boogie Woogie bass line. And that is money right there. Okay, if you can play that, you can play Boogie Woogie, right? And then it changes on the chord on the F. Same thing, okay? So he's just rocking that F, tritone, F to an F chord, okay? That's it. That's the central Boogie Woogie bass line. And then he does it on a G chord, right? It's the same idea. 2 times on the G, there's the tritone interval, there's a simple G major chord, tritone, back into the G. Okay, now I want to show you a little trick. This is the way I like to play boogie, is where I play the chord, and then I go single note on the end. And this helps me move to chords, okay? And let me show you what I mean. notice when I went to that F, I did a quick C to transition me to the F. That's a really helpful trick for a lot of students. I also want to show you some of the Boogie Woogie chords, and they're actually not too hard to play because you only need to learn 3 chords. C7, and then an F7, and then a G7, okay? They're simple 4-note chords. Anyone could play this. C7, F7, G7, and this follows the 12-bar blues form, okay? So if you learn these chords, you basically can play your blues because it's like C, right? And then you're on an F. And then you're on a C. And then G, F, C. Right? Makes sense? Very simple 12-bar blues. Okay, let's keep listening to this incredible pianist. I want to show you a few of the licks he plays because it is really amazing. Let's check it out. That's cool. That is a really nice lick there. I want to show you that one. Okay, that is money right there. So I love this one because he grabs his G chord and he does this little tremolo, okay? It's basically where you take a chord, you kind of rock the notes of the chord, and then he does another little roll. Okay, that is money right there. So he's on his F, he rolls into his F chord, you see that? That's the roll. And then he comes up, little slide, and then 6, 6, and then 6 into an E like that, okay? So he loves these rolls, they're everywhere. Okay, and you're gonna hear a lot of this in boogie and blues where you're playing a lick and you come into a 6th and then you go chromatic down into your chord. And then lots of these little blue notes. Okay, I wanna show you a few more licks because it is really cool. Let's keep listening. That is money! Yeah, I want to show you that lick. That's a really nice one. So he's coming in. And he does this little 4th line, okay? Now this lick is actually pretty easy to play. He's on a C chord. And he's just breaking up like a C with an E flat. So he's going C, E flat, E, G, and C. That's it. You see it? And then he goes a little 4th into the E flat and the B flat. That is money. That is super cool, really nice. Let's give that a listen one more time because I just love his line and his phrasing. It's very nice. Yeah, that's cool. He's doing the rolls. And then he goes little inner voice movement, okay? You're gonna hear lots of rolls in his playing. The roll is basically like a C minor into a C major, but he does a grab on the minor and then he rolls on the C. Make sense? So minor, there's a roll, okay? And you're gonna hear a lot of this, okay? Let's keep listening. Yeah, that is cool. I wanna show you this lick as well. So he goes on his F chord, little chromatic line up into what's called an F9, and then he comes down, and then he goes, little chromaticism. Okay, again, very simple, just using some nice little chromatic lines. Let's keep going. That's cool. I want to show you that lick right there. That's kind of a passing line, but it's really nice. Here's how it goes. Okay, really, really nice. He's doing a lot of the rolls. C minor, rolling, like that. So, see that? And then he comes back to C, and then he goes up to a G and a C, and then F and A, and then he goes E flat and G, and then down to G, and then chromaticism into his G chord, like this, okay? It's really nice when you kind of play it in motion. Okay, and he has a lot of these nice filler lines. All right, I'm gonna show you a few more licks in here, but before we do that, if you wanna go deeper on Boogie Woogie piano, check out our flagship course, Jonny's Jumpin' Boogie. You're gonna learn way more about boogie licks and riffs. I also encourage you to check out our Bible of Blues riffs. You will learn a ton of these amazing boogie and blues riffs in that course, and we have the beginner to intermediate level and the intermediate to advanced level course, so we have something for all playing levels. All right, let's keep going in this performance. Yeah, right there. What's really nice is he's basically going to a C chord and then F chord to a C chord. You're gonna hear him do this a lot. Okay, really, really nice. Next, he's gonna do some cool punches. Give this a listen. Yeah, that was great. That's cool. What I love here is he kind of breaks it down. Okay, he's basically punching simple chords. I think he might be playing a C7 or maybe a C6, but he's just jamming. And this is really nice if you have dancers to kind of lay down a simple groove that the dancers can really lock in to the piano. So there's a few more really cool things he does here. I'm gonna back us up again and let's give it a listen. Yeah, right there. Tremolo again. And then he does another little lick. I think that's it. Something like that. Right? It's like a triplet line, really nice. Oh, there's that line again. Remember before on the F? Remember I taught you that one? Well, he's doing it on the C. But he's coming up the piano, so he's playing that same lick on different chords. C, F. Okay, and that's really, really nice. You can actually repeat these licks on multiple chords. Okay, we'll listen to a bit more together. Woo! That was cool. Give that one a listen. He's doing these little rolls down the piano. He's basically coming down the chords. I think he does this, like F, and then he comes C, like that, and then like that, right? And that is very cool. Okay, very, very nice. Let's keep going. Yeah. Woo! I love that! He's really busting out the rolls. And he kind of sits there on the C. Let's give it one more listen. I want to break it down for you because it is so cool, so fun. Yeah. That was money. Yeah, he comes way down. And I think he goes kind of way down here, which is really, really nice. Oh, that was cool. So he goes, real simple line. He's basically using some chromaticism here. That's it. Again, with that boogie bass, it really sounds nice. That was nice. Right? So I think he's grabbing like a C6, rolling it, and then he comes chromatic into a C. Okay, very, very nice. Oh, that was cool. So he goes. I love that line. 6, 6, right? 6, 6. That's very nice down the piano, and then he ends it. Yeah, it's kind of like your traditional ending playing on a C chord, and then I think he plays up the piano a little C7.
Tack så mycket.
Thank you very much. So what an incredible Boogie Woogie pianist. Boogie Woogie is obviously so much fun to play because you can really reuse and recycle a lot of the same riffs and licks, and really the driver of the Boogie Woogie is that left hand, right? And so if you learn some licks and riffs, man, you can go all day. Is a lot of fun. Now, if you want to learn more about Boogie Woogie, be sure to check out pianowithjohnny.com. We love to talk about Boogie Woogie and show our students all of the tips, tricks, and tools to playing in styles like this. Be sure to leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.